back to part 2 of your steak, egg and chips. And what am I doing? So what am I doing? Forgot to say as well, you should have gotten your steak out to get the room temperature. Now if that's not in the recipe, I'll be very surprised. Yes. So you want to take it out, depending on how big the steak is, that's been out for around an hour. The chips, this is a very, very, very important part. You want to lay your chips out and let them steam off, let all that moisture get off. This is the key to crispiness. Nobody likes a soggy chip. I'll literally let these steam off for a good 5 minutes. And what I am going to do, so I will be starting, since this is a big old steak, it is quite fat, I'm going to start it in the pan and then I'll transfer it to the oven. So I'm going to get my oven on. Putting that on around 220. And this is not necessary, but I'm just going to give the chips a little bit of a helping hand, wafting some of that steam off. Give them a little bit of a turn. Turn these tomatoes down as well. They can literally just be simmering away on the lowest heat. I'm going to salt these now as well. Salting them now can actually just help bring out some more of that moisture. I'm going to get a spoonful of coconut oil into my air fryer. Like a good teaspoon, a heaped teaspoon I would say. then go our chips to that coconut oil. I'm just going to give them a little mix around, make sure they're all coated. Depending on your air fryer as well, they're going to take 25 to 30 minutes. Maybe just check them after 10 or 15 just to see where they're at. Give them a little bit of a shake around. I've got this on the maximum heat, just 200 on my air fryer. Going in for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to check them in 20 minutes time. I'll give them a little bit of a shake around and then just see where they're at to sort of see how long they need to go back in for. We are going to make a start on the steak. I'll tell you what, we're not going to make a start on the steak. We'll make a start on the steak in 10 minutes, because the last thing I want to do is have the steak ready and not have the chips ready. So I'll be back again shortly for part 3.